स्वागत है तुम्हारा आज खुले के मैथ्स का पिटारा बजाएंगे पीवाईक्यूज ऑफ आईएमओ का ढोलक। मैं हूं अमित मोदक। सही सुना तुमने। यस, आज पीवाईक्यूज ऑफ आईएमओ के ढोलक बजाने वाले and this would be of grade 5 and 6. So all my lovely students of grade 5 and 6 can practice this very important questions of IMO. And you all are aware that how this renowned exam plays a vital role, and every year we are trying our best to get a good score in IMO. So very welcome students, very welcome to this amazing fantastic video. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please do it right now, because this is only the channel you get the best things and you can do your best preparations. Alright? Chalo then. So without much delay, let's get started our quiz. And the first question on your screen, it comes here. Find the area and the perimeter of figure given below if PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to SP equal to 10 cm and QM is equal to 6 centimeter. These are the questions which have already come in your exams, and they are important because you will be getting an idea, you will get a pattern that from different topics how the questions can be arised. So you have to find the area and the perimeter of this given figure, where it says PQ. PQ is equal to QR is equal to S, R is equal to SP. I'm very sure you are aware of this figure. That's rhombus. All right. So I'm hoping that you have got the answer and you have right on the chat box. So let's look into the answer. Yes, the D option is absolutely correct. That is, area is 60 centimeter square and the perimeter is 40 centimeter. Now students, one thing I would like to say, if this question comes, okay, and if you look into the option now, you can get the answer in 5 seconds. I will say, batao sir kaise? You look into the perimeter part. Now, as you all know, perimeter means the total length of the boundary. And if all the sides are of 10 centimeter, obvious the sum of all the four sides will give you 40 centimeter. And that is only one option, right? Otherwise, we can do it with the calculations part also. Now, obvious the perimeter would be very simple. 4 into side, that will give you 4 into 10, that's 40 centimeter. Now talking about area, for area, as you can see, it's a rhombus and it's again a special type of your parallelogram where the four sides becomes equal. So we can apply the formula of area of parallelogram, and in case if you forget, then what you can do is simply you can just join a line here and make it into two equal triangles. Now area of triangle is always being in our mind. Okay, sometimes it may happen that area of parallelograms gets slips away, but area of triangle is very simple to remember. Half base into height, you can take the base as SR and height as QM, and you can multiply with 2 so that it comes area of this triangle also. Okay, and if you are knowing the formula of your area of parallelogram, then it's going to be super amazing. So half into sum of parallel sides, so 10 into 10 10 plus 10 into height. Height we have been given 6, so half 20 into 6, 2 ones are 2 threes are, so we get 60 centimeter square, right? Maza aaya? Okay, then let's move on to the next question. Average age of 5 children is 8 years 4 months, and if the average age of 4 children is 7 years 10 months, the age of the fifth child is how much? It's a question based on average. And again, 2014 question. Sure. Come on, solve students. Average age of 5 children is 8 years 4 months. If the average age of 4 children is 7 years 10 months, what is going to be the age of the 5th child? Click on the pause button, solve it, and write on the chat box. Alright, Chala, then let's look into the answer. Yes, it's once again the D option, 10 years 4 months. How? Let's see. So if you have got it, very wonderful. If not, let me explain. Average. Now you know the average concept. Average means if we have, let's say, some number of observations. Okay, let's say if your marks of 5 students of your class, so that marks is observation. Okay, so we take the sum of observation by total number of observation. How many students marks is being taken? Okay, so here we have been provided with the average. So average of 5 children is 8 years 4 months. That means 8 year 4 month is being average, equal to sum of age of 5 children that we don't know, divided by how many children's observation. 5 children, that were the number of observation. So we can get sum of age of 5 children would be 8 year 4 month into 5. That gives 8 5s are 40 year, 5 4s are 20 month. Now as we all know, in 12 month, obvious 1 year happens. So 20 month means 1 year 8 month. So we can add it on 1 on this side. So it becomes 41 year 8 months. Similarly, we can say sum of age of 4 children. Very simple. Again, as the average is being given as 7 years 10 months, we will multiply with 4. So it becomes now 28 years and 10 fours are 40 months. Now once again I would say 40 months. 12 month 1 year. So if we divide 40 with 12, so 12 threes are 36. So that means 3 years we are getting. So 28 plus 3 year, that becomes 31 years, and it remains with 4 months. Now if we subtract sum of age of 4 children from sum of age of 5 children, we will get the age of the 5th child. We'll get the value of the 5th observation. So age of 5th child would be 41 year 8 month minus 31 year 4 month. So what we get? 41 minus 31 is 10 year, 8 month minus 4 month, that is 4. So this is our correct answer, and this was in our B option. Okay, let's move on to the next question, students. If 47.2506 equal to 4a plus 7 by b plus 2c plus 5 by d, and one missing is there, plus, okay, plus should be there, 5 by d plus 6e. So what could be the answer? What could be the answer for the value of 5a plus 3b plus 6c plus d plus 3e? What could be the answer for this? If 47.2506 equal to 4a plus 7 by b plus 2c plus 5 by d plus 6e, then the value of 5a plus 3b plus 6c plus d plus 3e is? Hit on the pause button once again and solve it, solve it. So many variables, A, B, C, D. And this is a PYQ of 2015. Getting stuck? What to do? Don't worry, I am there. Try first. And I have full belief in you. You can definitely, you all can do. Okay, then let's look into the answer. Yes, the option C is correct here. Okay, the option C is correct. So let's solve this. If you have not got the answer, let's solve it. So as I say, a little bit correction is there. So yeah, 47.2506 equal to 4a plus 7 by b plus 2c plus 5 by d plus 6e. So what we can do here is we can compare these two. Now we'll be expanding this part. So what we can say is we can say 40 plus 7 plus we can say the decimal is there. So it's 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 0 by 1000 plus 6 by 10,000 equal to 4a plus 7 by b plus 2c plus 5 by d plus 6e. Now try to compare left hand side and right hand side. So comparing 4a with a 40. So 40 is equal to 4a. So that means a is equal to 10. Similarly, 7 is equal to 7 by b. That gives b is equal to 1. So what we are doing is we are comparing. Okay, we are comparing. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side, on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now why one side is more? Because we have got a 0 here. 0 by 1000. That's again a 0 only. Okay. So now comparing the place value of this 2 by 10. 2 by 10 with 2c. So 2 cancel. What we get? C is equal to 1 by 10. What about D? 5 by 100 is equal to 5 by D. 5 by 100 is equal to 5 by D. Because 5 is there in the hundredths place. So once again what we get here? D is equal to 100. And there is no place value for 0 by 1000. So let it be 0 by 1000, 0 only. Okay. Then comes 6 by 10,000 is equal to 6e. So e becomes 1 by 10,000. Okay. So now as we all have understood the values of a, b, c, d and e, so we can just put them. 5a, 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 6 into 1 by 10 plus 100 plus 3 into 10,000. So 100 plus 5 into 10, that is 50. 100 plus 50, 150 plus 3, 153. Now decimal part, 6 by 10, that will give you the 600's place. Then 3 by 10,000. So we do not have anything on the hundreds place. We do not have any in thousands place. But we have a 3 in 10,000s place. So 153.6003. Okay, students, let's move on to the next very interesting question of 2016. Sana and Fatima participated in an apple race. The race was conducted in 6 parts. In the first part, Sana won by 10 seconds. In the second part, she lost by 1 minute. Then won by 20 seconds in the third part and again lost by 25 seconds in the fourth part. She lost once again by 37 seconds in the fifth part and won by 12 seconds in the last, that is sixth part. Who won the race finally? What do you think? Who won? Did Sana or Fatima? Or both reach at the same time? Or we cannot say anything. Try to solve it. Alright. So let's look into the answer. Yes, Fatima won. How? Is it confusing? Let me make you aware how. Or let me tell you very easy way to tell who won. So what we saw is Sana and Fatima both participated in the apple race. Now the race was being conducted in 6 parts. Obvious. In the first part, Sana won by 10 seconds. So here two things are happening. Either won or loss. Either won or loss. So let me assign a positive number for winning and a negative number for losing. So let me take condition of Sana. Okay. So in the first case, she won by 10 seconds. So let me take the 10 seconds being positive. Second part, she lost by 60 minutes. Sorry, 1 minute. That means 60 seconds. Okay, she lost by 60 seconds. Then again won by 20 seconds. Okay, positive 20. Then again, fourth part, lost by 25 seconds. Fifth part, loss. Sixth part, won. Now, if we do the calculations, what we find is the positive numbers 10, 20, and 12, and negative numbers are these. So it's 242, and here we have 7, 5, 12, carry 1, 6, 1, 7, 2, 9, 9, 3, 12. So we are getting a negative 80 seconds. Means if negative answer is coming, that means loss. So who won? Fatima won. Alright? Okay, let's move on to the next question. The distance above the ground is represented by positive integers and the distance below the ground by negative integers. An elevator begins to descend from 15 meter above the ground at a rate of 5 meter per minute. What will be its position after 45 minutes? Okay, so above the ground it's being taken positive and below it's negative. So elevator is moving 50, it is moving with a rate of 5 meter per minute. So what will be the position after 45 minutes? Pause the video and solve it. So students, are you getting the answer as minus 210? Then it's absolutely correct. So let's look how we can do. So as it says, the let's say this is our base ground, okay, and the elevator begins to descend from 15-meter above, means the elevator is somewhere here, which is 15-meter already above the ground. Okay, now let's say from here, okay, it goes down, it descends. So in 1 minute it says 5 meter it goes, right? 5 meter per minute, 1 minute 5 meter. So if it is descending, so let's say we are taking a negative sign, so in 45 minutes, minus 5 into 45, how much distance it will cover? Minus 5 5 is a 25, carry 2, 5 is a 22, 22. So minus 2 to 5 is the descending. But as it started, okay, the as it started from 15-meter above, so all in total will be looking at, with positive 15 here, we'll get minus 210. So finally we are getting minus 210 meter. So I hope you find amazing solving these very interesting PYQs question of IMO. So I will be coming with more videos with more fantastic questions in the upcoming days. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.